Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how ClasStamp automatically generates test cases from hierarchical state machine models including AND state, OR state, and interregion transitions, all modeled in Astah. Here is the GUI simulation. Let's now press the R key. Okay, immediately you see the message. Test cases successfully generated. And the ClasStamp collects the current active states, evaluate all event combinations and transitions, and generate complete set of test cases. The result is saved as test cases.csv here. Under the working directory, here you can see inside the sample typical notations. Now, let's open the file. And try to correct the width. And we can see that each row contains some preconditions, the current status, the input event, expect behavior, enter/exit action, and other actions alongside the transitions, and the resulting post conditions, and a command that explain what query was changed or which tests I don't care. This filtering is done automatically, which reduces test count while keeping the essential behavior. Yeah. Now let's look at some typical case. For example, these cases. We can see that the gear down causes the car transition from drive to neutral here. And this reflects an OR transition because that the transition is specified by this arrow. And the driver is the child of this gear engaged superstate. So that in this case, uh, the state of the gear state is transitions from drive to neutral by these transitions. And in this case, only gear and engine state change. The engines change from decelerated to engine idle, but the display is remain unchanged at display available. Now let's see at these cases. It's around here. This is another all state cases, but with important difference. Gear now transition from reverse by to neutral, reverse to neutral when the driver take gear down. But the back camera was changed to switch to display available. Yeah, this shows that ClasStamp properly link regions, and the display region reacts to gear disengagement. Okay, now let's see at the different cases. Here, reverse and back camera and EngineAccel. In this case, you can see that the engine is now in accelerating and the gear is in reverse mode. At this time, if the driver releases the accelerator. The engine will transition from accel to decel, and the gear remain in reverse. And the display stays back camera. And at the command pin shows those regions as unchanged or don't care. Demonstrate that custom P selected current logic, keeping the test focus. Okay, yeah, you can see that custom generate all combinations needed to cover your model. It filters out redundant and overlapping transitions, and it annotates which conditions are relevant and which are safely ignorable. This results in necessary coverage. Every essential behavior is tested and sufficient coverage. No waste effort. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you find ClasHStamp useful in your own system design. Thank you.